Father of Candlestick. Now the father of Candlestick is Munisa Huma, also known as Sokyu Hunma. So if someone says it was developed by Sokyu Hunma or Munisa Huma, don't believe they are two other persons, they are the same person. Now he was born in 1724, approximately 300 years ago, and invented candlestick chart around 1745. Now Munisa was a rice merchant from Japan, so he used to trade rice. And he was known to be an excellent trader in the Dojima rice market in Osaka. And the reason? It is candlestick. Rice was traded on cash for centuries, what we call the spot market. However, in the 17th century, futures market was introduced. And this was the market that made a normal person, a retail investor, the king of the market. It was this market that Munisa made candlestick chart for and really controlled the market, because he would know when what will happen. There are stories that claim that he was known to be the king of rice at that time. He even established a network of men about every 6 kilometers between Sataka and Osaka, 600 kilometers in total, to communicate market prices so that he can plot it on chart in real time and trade on it and make tons of money. That's how he was known to be the king of rice. And the best part is, rice was even used as a currency in different intervals of time in Japan, because people really distrusted the Japanese currency, and therefore from time to time they would use rice as a mode of currency. Now he was the first contrarian investor of his time due to candlestick charts, because as we will discuss, there are different patterns that if they appears on low means a change in trend. So he would have known first that a change in trend is coming and would jump in. And for the others, he was a contrarian investor who was jumping in right at the bottom. In his book, he discussed yang, the bull market, and yin, the bear market, extensively. And once you see the patterns, you will understand yang and yin. He developed candlestick on the basis of bull run and bear run, and this was the reason he became king of rice. Thank you.